One of the main advantages of Ryobi's rechargeable air blower is its powerful yet quiet brushless motor. Compared to gas-powered models, it's 83% quieter. Even so, it delivers an airflow of up to 80 meters per second, strong enough to blow away not only dry and wet leaves, but also packed grass. And if the job takes a while, that's no problem. You can load 2 batteries at once, giving the blower a runtime of more than 2 hours. The price is $600. This tool is a favorite among arborists, since it's great for transplanting trees. Using compressed air, it removes soil without harming even the thinnest roots. You won't need a shovel anymore. And it's not just precise, but also fast. In 10 minutes, it clears half a cubic meter of soil as if by magic. It's called Air Spade 5000 and sells for $1,630. The Rolling Dog Holder, priced at $4, is a 3-in-1 product. It lets you open a paint can, carry it with one hand, and keep the brush in place. If you're into cycling, give this video a like. Here's a rechargeable Bosch pressure washer. It's compact, easy to carry with one hand, offers 4 spray patterns, and has 8 pressure settings with a maximum of 20 bar. In other words, when used correctly, you won't have to worry about damaging sensitive bike components or accidentally washing off grease. On top of that, it's great for rinsing your gear or even doing the dishes at camp. A level of versatility that's hard to beat. The washer is priced at $229. The creators of AnyDust set out to raise $20,000, but they ended up with 10 times that amount. That's how much people wanted this product, and it's easy to see why. AnyDust is the world's first dust extractor that doesn't need filter replacements or maintenance. Air currents swirl cleverly inside, causing debris to stick to the walls and fall into 2 separate containers, one for larger and one for finer waste. Cleanup now takes just minutes, leaving you extra time to play with the mobile app that controls the system. The price starts at $2,200. The rechargeable Grabo high-flow suction cup combines lightweight with impressive strength. It weighs about 3 kilograms, but can lift up to 100 kilograms. That kind of performance earns respect for the Grabo engineers and justifies its hefty price of $600. A bonus feature is the ability to display pressure in either PSI or bar. On the downside, the battery life is only about half an hour. This hose reel from Einhel can hold 30 meters of hose, which comes included in the set and is priced at $239. Concrete screed, filler, even liquid plastic. Nothing is a problem for the Colom Mix XQ series mixers. They deliver excellent results, even in the hands of a beginner. The secret lies in a system that reduces speed control and mixing time to a single button. The most powerful model, the Colom Mix XQ6, has a capacity of 90 liters and costs $893. K1 is like a superhero among vices. It impresses not only for its unusual design featuring multiple contact points, but also with its ability to stop automatically thanks to a pressure sensor. The system works so well that you can even trust it to hold glass objects, and if you don't want to rely on automation, you can always control the jaws manually. For cases where the jaws need to be spread apart for a more secure hold, it comes with special rubberized inserts that provide extra stability. Also useful is the built-in bubble level. The device runs on a built-in 10,000 mAh battery. Finally, it's worth noting that the most basic version of the K1, the aluminium model with a working range of 55mm, sells for $179. To make the installation of hybrid and epoxy adhesive anchors go smoothly, Hilty offers this rechargeable adhesive dispenser. It saves not only time but also material, since it remembers how much to apply when you pull the trigger, and lights up green once the injection is complete. On top of that, the Hilty Volume Calculator app gives professionals dosing recommendations. Another nice touch is that the dispenser also works with Hilty's fire-resistant foam. What a handy tool! The price is $309. 7 times faster than a brush! You can paint a 2.4 by 3 meter wall in just 10 minutes. The makers of the Flexio 1500 sprayer clearly know how to win over customers. And speed isn't the only selling point. The sprayer is suitable for both indoor and outdoor work. It can handle primers and some stains, and it's 20% lighter than earlier versions. Thanks to the lock and go system, it's also easy to take apart for cleaning. The sprayer costs $140, and for anyone planning to paint something big like a fence, the included Wagner eye spray nozzle will be a pleasant surprise. The Wolf LS65 is a cordless strip cutter that makes it easier to work with linoleum, vinyl, and PVC flooring. It's especially useful for preparing baseboards and stair coverings. The cutting width can be adjusted from 3 to 65mm. For added comfort, the kit includes eye and ear protection, and for longer jobs, a second battery is provided. The cutter's priced at $2,593. The Pro 40 Ad Atex is quite an interesting drill. First, it's lightweight at just 15 kilograms. Second, it's compact. And third, it's pneumatic. That mix makes it a great choice for confined, explosion-prone areas such as drilling platforms. What can it do? It works with core bits up to 40mm in diameter and with twist bits up to 16mm in diameter. The machine's secured with a strong magnet, while a mechanical fuse prevents accidental motor startup. The price of the Pro 40 Ad Atex is available on request. The Plantic shovel costs only $32, yet it comes with 2 handles that distribute the load more evenly across the muscles when clearing snow. Boltech Power is set to lead a new stage in the development of power tools, according to its creators. So, what makes it special? One of its biggest advantages is a 24-volt electric motor that makes the Boltech Power twice as powerful as most similar portable tools on the market. Versatility is another focus. Boltech Power drills, cuts, polishes, and saws. In short, it replaces several tools at once. And it does all this while staying compact, weighing just 475 grams, with a battery that lasts up to 3 hours. Boltech Power is available for $79. The Toro Ultra Buggy E2500 is an electric wheelbarrow built for construction, and it stands out for several reasons. It has a load capacity of 1,133 kilograms, runs for 8 hours without stopping, and best of all, it can spin in place. Add to that special non-marking tires, and you get a wheelbarrow that's perfect for indoor work. It's also fairly quick. It reaches 10 kilometers per hour going forward and about 6.5 kilometers per hour in reverse. The price is around $28,000. This magnetic cutter is perfect for working with drywall panels. This accessory with the long name Simpson Strong Tie Quick Drive Project Pro saves a considerable amount of work time. It fits most cordless drills and drivers and lets you use collated fasteners. Why does that matter? The manufacturers claim it lets you drive screws up to 4 times faster. Just imagine how much time you could save laying down a subfloor, for instance. On top of that, it's easy to use even for inexperienced workers. The price is $110. This impressive machine combines industrial power with ease of use, even in a workshop setting. The X-Tool metal fab can laser cut, engrave, and even remove rust. One of the secrets behind its performance is the 800 or 1200 watt laser beam that cuts through 10mm thick carbon steel and welds pieces up to 5mm thick in a single pass. Prices start at $5,000. The Mini Spider welding tractor is another pleasant surprise. It makes MIG and MAG arc welding possible even in tight spaces. All it needs is 20 centimeters of clearance, and the bracket can be placed on either side. The Mini Spider runs on battery power, weighs under 8 kilograms, welds at speeds of up to 110 centimeters per minute, and even allows vertical welding. This remarkable welding tractor sells for $4,448. This freezing spray from Rexand makes working with pipes much easier. Kipex has developed a cutter that, compared to other tools of the same length, reduces effort by 30%. It's perfect for cutting cables up to 6mm in diameter, making it especially useful for bicycle and car mechanics. The price is $96. This grease gun is manufactured by Nordberg. Milwaukee offers a charging station for 6 M18 system batteries. Thanks to its Red Link intelligence technology, which factors in things like temperature, each battery charges at the optimal speed. The price is $851. This workstation, which includes 2 tables and a sawhorse, costs about $417. Check out this amazing product from Milwaukee, the world's first cordless roll groover. With it, professionals can work practically anywhere without the hassle of cables. On a single charge, the tool delivers up to 50 cuts and adjusts flexibly to the tolerances of each batch of pipes. The price is $4,000. The Wolf Green Cut is a must-have for floor installers, especially for trimming seams and edges of linoleum. It comes with a generous set of accessories, including 10 trapezoidal blades and 10 hook blades. It's comfortable for left-handed users and made entirely of metal. The manufacturer describes it as a true professional solution, and given all these advantages, its price of $22 is surprisingly low. Our selection continues with a cordless edge router from Festool. This tool stands out for its slim body, excellent balance, and relatively light weight of just 1.3 kilograms. However, despite these characteristics, this router is not a toy. It's ready to compete with more serious corded routers. The depth adjustment mechanism offers a precision of 0.1 millimeters, and the bits can be changed in seconds thanks to the spindle lock. The maximum bit diameter is 28 millimeters. It's also worth mentioning the transparent guard with a spring-loaded brake, which means no more thermal damage. Naturally, all these features come with a higher price tag. This router sells for $610. Based on the distance between the laser circles projected by this adapter, the user can control both the vertical and horizontal positioning of the drill, which allows for making a perfect hole at a 90-degree angle to the wall. This Ryobi tool is designed to clear blockages in pipes up to 5 centimeters in diameter and 7.6 meters long. No more calling the plumber. It feeds and retracts the cable in both manual and automatic modes, and comes with a built-in light for convenience. The price is $89. This trowel set from Craft Tool comes in handy, for example when working with tiles or plaster. The Wolf Duro Stripper is a machine for removing floor coverings. It's fairly light at just 16 kilograms. Still, it delivers a decent performance of 50 meters squared per hour, and it doesn't just remove linoleum, but also cork, carpet, and even rubber coverings. The working width is 21 centimeters. Both the handle and wheels can be detached for easier transport. The kit includes 2 blades with covers, a tool set, gloves, and hearing protection. The Wolf Duro Stripper is available for about $4,100. Ellipso is a tool for drawing ellipses, inspired by the work of Archimedes. It has a magnetic base with an anti-slip coating and a lens that helps determine the figure's center more precisely. It also features an adjustable screw clamp that can hold either a pencil or a cutter. The starting price is $70. The Behui TCB 1200 Plus tile cutter is designed for the best results when working with porcelain tiles. Its maximum cutting depth is 15 millimeters. A laser cutting guide helps professionals work with greater accuracy, while a clever separator that switches from cutting to braking mode with just one hand adds convenience. This tile cutter sells for $343. How many bits does it take to make a handyman happy? Always one more. The universal JK8X tool helps satisfy that constant craving to try out new bits. It combines the functions of a cutter and a screwdriver, and the set, priced at $69, comes with no fewer than 70 different bits, plus 30 blades. What can you use them for? woodworking, computer maintenance, fixing glasses, the list goes on. And despite its versatility, the tool is no bigger than a pen. Brilliant. This Wolfcraft contour gauge is designed for measuring and transferring shapes and cutting lines up to 25 cm wide and 58 mm deep. With 168 pins, it's great for tasks like working with wooden boards or door frames. The patented eccentric mechanism lets you adjust the pins for smoother or firmer movement. The gauge costs $83. The main advantage of the Chameleon CX is its versatility. This cordless sander can handle a variety of tasks, from stripping old wallpaper to polishing surfaces. Need to remove plaster? Easy. Get rid of leftover glue? No problem. Whatever the task, the Chameleon CX works fast thanks to its two 20cm discs that spin in opposite directions, allowing large surfaces to be smoothed out quickly and evenly. It also reduces strain on the hands, since the motor can be worn on a belt or a shoulder strap. From walnuts to pears, you can harvest fruit up to 6.5 meters high with this picker that costs $40.